Alright, this is just left Bugsy Siegel's memorial. Alright, now I'm like gonna show you what this looks like over here. Big fish in the water. And fish are huge too, yo. And they have a sign that says don't throw any coins in the water. Guess the fish can't eat them. They want dollar bills, they don't want coins. Alright, so this is a real cool waterfall right here. A lot of greenery, and you know, everybody knows LMan likes greenery, so if it's greenery, I'm in. It's a pretty cool waterfall. Show you around. I'm standing on a rock right now, so you know I gotta be careful. You know, the LMan is kind of elderly. So I'm not trying to fall, son. I just won like $80 about 20 minutes ago. You know, I just came in here, pow, and got mine. You know, so I'm doing pretty good right now. And outside, just checking out the rest of the Flamingo. Alright, and that's the water right there. Get the fish. Whoa, look at that one right there. Looks like sharks, but they're not. Oh. Alright, so it's a pretty cool deal, ladies and gentlemen. If you come out to Las Vegas, come over to the Flamingo Hotel. Alright, play some games and then enjoy the scenery.